This is one Michigan success story that you don't want to miss. This is Netlink, based right here in Madison Heights, Michigan, in our backyard. The company was founded by Dilip Dubey, and I'm happy to be joined by the CEO, founder and CEO of Netlink, which has grown to be, from 1997 till now, a $100 million company. Congratulations on your success, sir.
Thank you, Nancy. I'm glad to be here. I appreciate the time.
All right, so let's start out with the basic question. Tell us, what Netlink does.
Netlink is an IT or information technology solutions provider that does business intelligence, supply chain, application development work, and customer care globally, and that's what we do.
So, all right, you started out, you're a Michigander, went to U of M, go blue.
Go blue.
As did I.
Right.
And was it IT? Your degree was in IT or something else?
So my degree was a joint degree in engineering and business side of the school. So that's what I did, more engineering and business than pure information technology. But the work I did was clearly applicable to information technology.
Because you actually designed the proprietary technology that is the basis of the success of Netlink.
Absolutely. That's the technology we built the company around. And with a lot of hard work from the team and some luck, we were able to mature it where it's delivering great results for our customers.
So you have a software company or software program you've developed, and you're using it in several applications. Business processing, business intelligence. How can one software program be used over so many applications?
So, firstly, Nancy, it's software as well as a lot of processes and ideas that go behind it. And it's really a recipe on how to execute the work that we do. And that's the reason it is applicable around different business needs of the customers. We started with software and application side, but quickly realized that this solution or this approach gives equally good results in business as well as in supply chain.
In supply chain. So you guarantee 20% savings to your client. Now, in this economy, this environment, how is it possible to guarantee that your clients, just by using your software, could have a 20% savings?
Nancy, again, we are very firm, and when we say guarantee, it comes with no fine prints. We truly believe, and we have actually walked to the customers on the day of engagement and given them that savings as a check up front. And the reason behind is very simple. The method and the approach we developed over last almost 10 years and matured it, it allows us to do things tremendously more efficiently than any other approach, traditional approach that exists in the market today.
So can you give me, Dilip, some examples of some of your clients and how you've helped them?
Absolutely. I mean, we are just thrilled to have amazing portfolio of clients in automotive, from GM, Ford, Chrysler, to a tremendous amount of tier 1 customers as Lear, MSX, and so many more. And we have been able to work with their technology and business leaders and understand what their true needs are, implement our approach, and create immediate savings. And sometimes it's 20% and at a minimum, but in many cases we have far exceeded those.
So I would guess that what you're doing is allowing Lear to do what they do best, build jets, and Chrysler to build cars, because you are the experts in the infrastructure, the software that they will use as their backbone. And so it's your expertise. That's how you're able to go in there and squeeze out those savings.
Absolutely. So, companies clearly, especially automotive, are focused now on their core business, and we come in to take on the non-core work and help their teams be more efficient, take on some functions that they do not want to do in-house, apply our approach and methodology, and create savings and tremendous amount of business advantage along with it.
So you just started in 1997, and now you're a $100 million company. How many employees do you have?
We have more than 1,200 employees worldwide today with us.
And in which countries do you operate?
So primarily, we are a North American company today. We have, Canada, Mexico, and of course, in 4 different cities in U.S. Denver, Detroit being our headquarters, or Madison Heights. Then we have great growth in Asia Pacific and China, India, Thailand, and supporting a lot of customers in Germany, UK, and other countries.
So what advice would you give to other companies that have, are in that growth cycle that you went? It's so swift. You're hiring a lot of people. You've got cash flow. We all know about business development, and it seems like you caught a tremendous wind of success. How did you sail on that wind?
I think it starts with passion and humility for us as a team, and it started that way for me personally as well. But along the way, it is very critical to have great partners. You have to have good capital, and really one of the big advantages as Michigan faced challenges for us was the availability of great talent in this area. And that is the key for success, the talent, making sure you have the right resources and partners. And again, you need to believe and drive the business with passion and humility.
Well, that seems to be a secret to your success, because your Netlink has become so successful. So if people want to find more about your company, they can go to your website, which is?
www.netlink.com.
Great. Well, Dilip Dubey, thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it, and we're so happy to have another Michigan success story.
Well, thank you for having me. We are thrilled to be in Michigan and growing from this region.
So here you have it, yet another Michigan success story. This one, a good story that you've got a good idea and you got passion, stick to it. You'll build that company, you'll build that dream. Thanks for joining us today.